I'd like to share with you in this video is how you can enter the same date in a long list. So I've got a list here going down to 100 and something, 129 rows. And what I want to do is enter the same date in all of the cells in the month column. Now, there's a couple of ways to do it. I'll show you one and then I'll show you sort of the best way. So let's start. So let's say we want to put the 1st of Feb in the cell. Now, one way to do it is to drag it. If you've got a short list, you can drag with the fill handle and just hold the control key down. And that will put the same date in there. If you don't hold the control key, it's going to increment the date. Now, here's the best way to do it. So select 2 cells, 1st of the 2nd, 21. Now, don't press enter, press control enter. And with both cells selected, all you need to do is double click that fill handle, and that will copy all the way down to the bottom of the list, no matter how long the list is, providing there's no blank cells in this column, in column C. So that's a really quick and easy way to copy the same date down a long list. So basically select 2 cells, enter a date, hold the control and press the enter down, so control enter, and then with both cells selected, you simply double click the fill handle and that will copy down the list. Hope that's been useful. Thanks for watching.